right, so we're working on creating some raised garden beds. So I need some wood, so we're gonna see if we can make some wood out of these logs. Let's get to it. Rough, but you know what, for planter boxes this will be perfectly fine. Next I'm going to cut along the top a flat piece, just kind of like right along here this way. All right, let's try with Poulan. It's a little lighter.
Oh, that's a lot better.
All right, so there's our log, and now let's get some pieces out of it. All right, there's another one done.
Look at all the shaving.
Getting better at hitting.
It's like a mountain. Yeah.
Okay.
So here's the finished product. You can see for freehand it's pretty straight. Like if you look down the edge, I'd say it's, you know, it's relatively easy to get straight up and down. All right, so I bought one of these little portable chainsaw milling kits. So let's give it a try, see if it's, see how it works. Two and a half, which will give me 1 3/4 left. So I got one more log to mill, and I just want to change this chain to a milling chain. So I'll just show you what I'm doing. So you can see this tooth right here, I already changed, but this tooth, you can see the angle's probably this, and we want to change it to about 10 degrees. So we're going to do that right now. So take a look at this tooth right now, and let's fix it. Probably not totally down to 10 degrees, but it's closer to like about 15 or so. So this is 10 right here, almost there. I'm probably more like this. Alright, so my Pioneer ignition stopped working, so I'm not getting any spark. So after messing with that, got 2 more boards to make with a Poulan 50cc. We'll give it a try. I got a nice sharp chain, so let's see. So I think they're a little too big. So you can see here, the length is fine, but the height, like we don't need a 13-inch. I think I'm gonna take a solid 5 inches off. All right, so now we got to build the raised boxes. We already built one yesterday, and the girls are diligently filling it with some triple mix here. So we're in a rush to get planting. What do you have to say? Nothing, eh? You're just hunting mice and gophers. All right, let's get building this one. There's a few little tricks to it, and Matthew's here forging knives. Can I see? Ooh, look at that. You made that knife yourself, eh? Let's feel it. Ooh, it's pretty sharp too. Because we have a little bit of a slope here, you can see this side is higher than this side. I'm going to bury the top side a couple inches just to help level it out a little bit.